Captions make videos more accessible and increase viewer engagement, especially since more and more video is consumed with the sound off. But creating captions is time-consuming and expensive. Until now. Introducing speech-to-text in Premiere Pro, the first fully integrated solution for transcribing videos and automatically creating captions all within the editing application. Oh yeah, and it's included in your subscription at no extra cost. From transcript to captions to export, the speech-to-text workflow is seamless, automating the time-consuming tasks while giving you the complete freedom to customize the results. When your edit is ready, create the transcription. Premiere Pro returns a complete transcript right inside the new text panel. If you need it, speech-to-text can differentiate between different speakers, and speaking of that, speech-to-text is available in 13 languages. Review and edit your transcript in the text panel with helpful tools like search and replace. Double-click a section of text if you need to edit the transcript. When your transcript is ready, turn the text into captions or subtitles on the new captions track in your timeline. Premiere Pro uses the power of Adobe Sensei machine learning to position caption segments on the timeline, accurately matching the pacing and cadence of your dialogue. And if needed, you can refine the captions inside the timeline. Use the design tools in the Essential Graphics panel to position and stylize your captions on screen. Burn in stylized captions as part of your video when you export, a great option for Instagram and TikTok videos. Or export captions as an SRT file to upload with your video on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Vimeo, so your viewers can turn them on and off. Speech-to-text is included in your subscription and available now in Premiere Pro. Try it today and see what everyone's talking about.